Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I recently reupholstered our couch and I used drop cloth to do it. And this is a bin full of all the leftover drop cloth. So I'm taking these rings that I got. I think this one came from the Dollar Tree. And not sure where I got these from. But I have this piece of one that I cut and used part of it for something else. And then I have this other one. I'm going to combine these together and I'm going to make one big wreath using the leftover drop cloth. And then I'm going to use some more drop cloth to make this smaller one, which I'm going to bend it to be like an oval shape. So I'm going to make those now just by using a simple tying method to attach these together first. And I'm going to go all the way around, and then I'm going to go in different sections all around this wreath. So if you want to see how that all comes together, then I hope you keep watching. So this is what I'm going to start out with. I have almost evenly cut strips, and I'm just going to do a loop tie. I'm just going to do the loop where you kind of put that through. Just going to go through the wreath, and then where the loop is, just tuck that in and pull it. So that's the method I'm going to use for the entire wreath, but like I mentioned, I'm going to connect these two together first, and then I'll just keep going from there.